Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where we learn English grammar and we try to make English learning as easy as possible. Today we are diving into one of the most important tenses in English, the present simple tense. It's very common, you use it almost every day without even realizing. It is useful, it's very easy, and you have to use it on everyday basis if you are talking about general truth, routines, or habits. We also use present simple tense when we talk about fixed arrangement. For example, something is happening on regular basis, then we use present simple tense for that. As I said, for habits, for routines, for general truths, and for fixed arrangements. Let's understand the structure. The basic structure of present simple tense is subject plus first form of the verb. We use first form of the verb with s or es when we have singular subjects like he, she, it, but we do not use s or es when we have plural subjects like we, you, they, etc. You can also use names. Anyway, these are just examples of pronouns. Let's get into some examples, then maybe you can understand better. Some positive sentences. He eats breakfast at 7 a.m. Negative sentence. He does not eat breakfast at 7 a.m. We use do for negative sentences and for questions. Now for question, does he eat breakfast at 7 a.m.? Now let's try another example with the verb play and the subject they, because now it is plural. They play football on Sundays. That is positive. Here there is they and we use play. We do not use s or es because of they, because it's plural. Now the negative sentence, they do not play football on Sundays because it's plural. So then we use do. Now question, do they play football on Sundays? Simply we put do in the beginning when we make a question. When the subject is he, she, or it, we usually add s to the verb in the positive form. For example, she goes to school by bus. She does not go to school by bus. If we make a question, does she go to school by bus? Now, let's fix some common mistakes, which we often do when we are using present simple tenses. He go to work at 8. No, that's incorrect because he is singular. So that means we have to use s with first form of the verb. He goes to work at 8. Now, next one. Do she like pizza? No, that's wrong because she is singular. So that means we will use does. Does she like pizza? Now, another example, I does not play tennis. No, because I and you are always considered in plural. So we use I do not play tennis. Let's test your skills with a quick quiz. Tell me what would be here in this blank. She like or likes chocolate. They go or goes to school. Does he work or works here? Write down your answers in the comment section and then I will write down my answers. Great job. Let's quickly recap now what present simple tense is. Use present simple for habits, routines, and facts. The earth rotates. The sun shines. This is general truth, so we use present simple tense. Add s or es for he, she, it in a positive sentence. Use do or does in negative and questions. Remember, do or does will come in the beginning if you are asking a question. Keep practicing. The more you use it, the easier it gets. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.